Hi everyone. Here are few tips on how to fix issues when you get some errors in the design view code section of your Dreamweaver workspace. Okay, so as you see, this was sent to me by a student, by the way, in our class. As you see, there's a line here that is in red. When you get this red here, red color number, that means there's an error on that line and you may not be able to proceed with moving forward with this chapter, with this project. So to see what the error is telling me, I just have to go and hover over. So I'm hovering over this error and I see that it says the tag must be paired. There's no start tag. So if you look carefully at the tag here, there's something wrong with this start tag, okay? Just look at the other ones, like for example the link. What is different about the title tag and versus the link tag? Do you see? Have you noticed? Okay, as I corrected that, the red color disappeared and it's now all normal. So I'm gonna scroll down. There's another error on this page. It's 24, line 24, and it's telling me that special characters must be escaped. Okay, so I have to look and see where this problem is. Okay, so what do we do? Let's look. So the template begin editable name, you see it's in purple here, but this one is in white. Oh, why is that? Is there anything that is missing? Can you compare and tell me what is missing? What does it look different? Let's see. Did you see that? Okay, so now everything looks correct and I am going to end it here. Now you know how to fix a few issues in code.